In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections on Microsoft PowerPoint, a fantastic tip that will help you organize your presentations more effectively and enhance your workflow efficiency. Adding sections can greatly improve your ability to manage and navigate intricate presentations, especially those with numerous slides. To begin, make sure you have Microsoft PowerPoint open on your computer. If you're working with a specific presentation file, go ahead and open that now. Sections are most helpful when dealing with larger projects, but can be equally beneficial for smaller ones if you wish to categorize content efficiently. Once your presentation is open, decide where within your slides you'd like to insert a section. Navigate through your slides and find a point where a new topic or segment begins. This is a natural spot to add a section. Click on the space in between your slides at this juncture, which will help you designate the starting point of your new section. Now it's time to add the section. Look towards the top of your PowerPoint interface. You should see a toolbar with various options. Locate and click on the Add Section button. This action prompts PowerPoint to create a new section within your presentation at the selected location. Next, you'll be prompted to name your newly created section. This step is essential in keeping your presentation organized and easily navigable. Think about the content that follows and give your section a name that accurately reflects the theme or subject matter. For example, if the slides following this point cover marketing strategies, you might name your section Marketing Strategies. After you've entered a suitable name for your section, you'll want to finalize this naming process. To do this, simply click on the Rename button. This confirms the name of your section and strengthens your presentation structure. This feature can be particularly potent if you're working collaboratively, as it provides a clear structure within the presentation that is visible to all team members. Sections can serve as intuitive divides, allowing collaborators to quickly understand the presentation's organization and locate specific areas they are working on or reviewing. As you continue creating your presentation, feel free to add as many sections as needed. Each section acts like a chapter in a book, providing clear delineations between different topics or themes. This organization can enhance both the creation and the delivery of the presentation. By following these simple steps, you'll have a well-structured PowerPoint presentation that's easy to manage and navigate, making your overall presentation more impactful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tips and tricks.